DJI Mic 2TX plus 1RX charging case, wireless lavalier microphone, 250 meters, 820 feet range, 15 hours battery, noise cancellation wireless microphone for PC, iPhone, record interview, YouTube, and blogs. Hi, welcome my friend. 2 transmitters and 1 receiver are pre-linked, charged, and securely stored in the charging case. Transmission range of 250 meters, 820 feet in open unobstructed environment. DJI Mic is ideal for scenarios like live streaming, blogging, and outdoors recording. Enjoy 5.5 hours of battery life from the transmitters, 5 hours from the receiver, and up to 15 hours with the charging case. Spend less time worrying about battery level. Magnetic attachment, discreet, hideable, and suitable for coordinated recording. Easily attach DJI Mic to clothing or other objects for flexible and convenient use in any environment. 14 hours recording, 8 GB of internal storage, can handle up to 14 hours of 48 kHz 24-bit audio without compression. It can record separately and output audio files quickly to a computer using a data cable. A secondary audio track is recorded as a backup with a volume of 6 decibels. This helps to safeguard your audio should the loss of sound be caused by problems such as overexposure. Adjust input and output sensitivity between -12 to +12 decibels and find the perfect settings of your surrounding. Effectively suppress wind and noisy environment while still recording clear audio. Attach the wireless mic receiver to your DSLR camera, mirrorless camera, or smartphone bracket and capture flawless footage that match the audio. Test it with 2 transmitters connected to a receiver without backup recording and the receiver connected to a camera. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.